In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add income in accounting. Whether you're recording a sale, a refund received, or any money coming into your business, entering it correctly ensures your books and reports stay accurate. I'll walk you through where to find the right screen, what each field means, and a few practical tips so you can feel confident every time you add income. First, head to the banking area and open transactions. This is the central place where accounting lists all money moving in and out of your accounts. If you're using a desktop browser, you'll find banking in the main menu on the left. On smaller screens, it may be tucked behind a menu icon, but the flow is the same. Make sure you're in the correct company or organization file before you proceed, and confirm you have the access rights to create transactions. Once you're viewing transactions, click New Income. This opens the income form, which is designed to capture the key details of the money you received. Think of it like a deposit or sales receipt. You're telling accounting what came in, where it landed, and why. Start with the amount. Enter the exact value you received, including cents if needed. Be careful with decimals and match the currency you're using in your account. Precision here helps your balances and reports line up with your bank statements. Next, choose the account. Select the specific bank or cash account where the money actually arrived. If it went into your checking account, pick that one. If it was cash on hand, choose your cash account. Picking the correct account helps prevent double counting and keeps reconciliation smooth later. Set the date of the transaction. Use the date the funds were received, not necessarily the day you're entering the record. Consistent dates make your cash flow and period reports more reliable. If applicable, assign a customer. This field is optional, but linking income to a customer can improve your customer statements and sales insights. If the payment isn't tied to a specific person or business, it's perfectly fine to leave this blank. Select a category, such as sales, that best describes the nature of the income. Categories feed your profit and loss reports, so choose one that reflects the true source of the funds. Stay consistent with your naming to make comparisons easier over time. When everything looks right, click Save. You'll see the new income appear in the transactions list, and your selected account's balance will update accordingly. That's it, your income is now recorded accurately in accounting.